Okay, here's a little update on what I'm doing. So, as you seen in my last video, I had the bar coming straight across it. Well, actually, they had a slight, you know, little bit of taper to them coming out. But they're just sitting really, really close, on either side. And this here is a pretty good sized tire. Right now I have it jacked up, so it's off the ground. So what I did was I measured from the bracket here going back, made my mark here, going back a little more, made my mark there. Same thing on the other side. Cut a pie piece out on either side, top and bottom, brought it out, brought it back in. It still has a little bit of a taper to it. Let me see if I got this other bike here, so you can see how it kind of goes in a little bit. I kind of like that. I don't want it to be so uniformed, straight back, I want it to be a little bit different. So, if you guys seen some of my older videos of this bike before I did all this to it, when it was still a full suspension, I had this bar that came up across and down, and it had this zigzag pattern in it. Now I still like that. So what I was going to do, and it would probably come in kind of handy on this bike, is I got this stuff right here. And this stuff is pretty good size. And it's solid. So I was thinking of using this here. I got plenty of this. I do. Got more of it back over there. But I was thinking of using this here and kind of doing that zigzag pattern up in here. And it'll give it a little bit of style and support. So I figured I'll do that. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. And yeah, I think that's a good idea. It'll give us some style, design, that kind of good stuff. So I will talk to you guys as soon as I get more of it done. Okay, and we're back. So right here, what I'm doing is I'm starting to put in the braces that go in here. So let's go ahead and start getting that done. Oh. Let's see. All right. Might help to have it plugged in, right? Okay. There we go. And gloves. Oh, there. Alrighty. So we're going to put one right here. Let's see. I want to tap that over a little bit more. Grab the hammer. There we go. Down here. Okay. Oh, there's one spot. I might as well get it while I'm here. There we go. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm doing here. All right, so this bar here, I got that one cleaned up. This one here, I'm going to leave like that. I'll get it cleaned up later. I was thinking of using sandpaper. This one here, I put it on the wire brush wheel on the table grinder. Came out pretty good. I want to try sandpaper on this one when it's installed like that. I'm thinking about doing the rest, you know, brushing them, but yeah, something to think about. So what I'm going to do now is I want to go ahead and measure the distance between here and the bottom. I want to try to make it same as this here and go all the way across up to over here, somewhere over here. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as I get a little bit more of that done. And I'm back. Okay, so I got all that done, both sides. I also, I noticed that the arm was a little bit tilted in on both sides, so I had to recut it, recut the bearing mounts, and weld it all back together. I still haven't cut that axle yet. I figure I'll do that later, but yeah, that actually came out pretty good. Also raised up the tank. You know, I had to cut it, raise it up, put some bars in there, put this little plate in here. So got that done. Got most of it cleaned up, you know. And yeah, so far so good. I mean, it's turned out pretty darn decent, if I do say so myself. And those arms there, they're looking pretty good too. Yeah, have it kind of pushed up into the curtain there. But yeah, turned out pretty good. So pretty happy about that. So there we go, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll be talking to you guys really soon.